In this segment, I'm gonna show you how to install and download and install Java runtime and Java or Java SDK in this case. Basically, the Java environment, because Eclipse IDE do need a Java environment to function. I apologize for skip that part. So this would be the addition to the video tutorial I posted on the YouTube. Okay, so I only have Microsoft Edge browser installed, so just click on the browser. You can do this on any browser. So what I do is I download JDK 1.8, and there's no particular reason for this why is it 1.8 not 1.5 or 1.9, but you know, it's just from my experience 1.8 is rather popular. So here enter, so the browser leads you to the link right away. Now if you do this in Google, it'll be the same thing, so, right? So we'll just do this in Google, assuming you're at the Google search. So you do JDK 1.8, and right away you see the same thing you see here. So you download here, you click on the, remember to make sure you click this accept the license agreement, and this is the version we want to download. It's the Windows 64. You want to download this, okay? So save. So it's going to take a while to download this. I'm going to just wait until it finish. It's quite a big package. Unlike the Python, the install program folks at Oracle made for Java is relatively straightforward. So we really don't have to do much. But now if you are if you're doing Java development work, then there needs some setups. However, because of the Eclipse was made for Java, so the integration on Java language development is much sophisticated and complete in comparison with Python slash PyDev, right? Because PyDev is really an add-on to native Java development environment Eclipse. That's why PyCharm, what I was talking about, is better in this way, because PyCharm, even though it's written in Java with the baseline of Eclipse, but it's all customized specifically for Python. Okay, now I have downloaded this, right? Finished downloading it. So you can click run on it, or you can just look at your download directory on your this PC, and you can click here to run too. So I'll just do this here, run this. Okay, if this is in the Microsoft Edge browser, right? If you are in a other browser like Chrome or Firefox, you wouldn't I don't remember, you won't see the run, but you'll have to come over here, download, click this, okay? Double click on this, you will. So I have here, and as I said in Python, similar to Python, no need to change anything, just click next. Right now, it's pretty much done. So while we are on here, so let me just do this, because I think it's give you. So even though in last video segment I already show you how to do the Eclipse, but I skipped the Java version, so I'll just show you again. So now you see this. This says has been successfully installed. Okay, so uh, one way you can tell, even though take my word for it, it is installed. One way you can tell is if you do this, right? This will tell you. See, this command, Java command, it works. So that means it has been installed. So now once we did this, we would have the goal is to get the Eclipse on, right? So we'll do the download. I'll show you download the Eclipse. Same as the video I had it before. Click the Eclipse download. Now again, I googled it. Just type Eclipse in Google, and then I click on this and click on it's the main page, and then click download, right, and click download. Okay, I mean usually it's pretty straightforward. You just click it, download. That's good. As I said in the other video clip, this would be once you started install on this based on this download, it does ask you for which configuration of the Eclipse you want. As I said, Eclipse, even though the primary goal was created for use Java and for Java development, but because it's an open IDE platform, a lot of folks has taken upon that to add a different language support to it. There's C++, there are Python, of course, and there are also C and JavaScript. So there are different ones. Even within Java, there are different Java extensions package like J2EE, Java for Enterprise, and Java for Mobile. So early days of Android phone, the development environment also actually was created by creating an add-on to the Eclipse. Now Google has went on to create the standalone Android phone IDE, but actually it's still based on the Eclipse, similar to PyCharm. They're just exclusively made it for the mobile phone development. Okay, so we downloaded finished right now. Just to show you, if your browser don't pop up for the prompt for this, where do you get it from? A download, this PC download, you'll see this, right? So we'll click this. Okay, let me dismiss this, and then we'll come over here, download the Eclipse. I run it. This is gonna take a while because it's a big package, so we're gonna just let it run. Okay, so I already show you Java is already installed. Now I'm gonna install the Eclipse. I think I accidentally minimized this, so okay, here it is. Okay, so now the installer, the first thing installer prompts you to do is pick which IDE setting. You know, as I said, I mean, obviously top choice is always Java. You know, there are enhancements to it, so you have for C++, for PHP, you know, and so on and so forth. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, so we're gonna pick the top one. Okay, it's the easiest one. So because again, we don't care much on this. We would just we will add, because we will add the PyDev to it. So click accept license and just let it run. It's gonna take a bit time. So now, because this is a brand new OS environment to show this piece, because the other one machine I already installed the stuff already, so it wouldn't be clean if I start it again. It's hard to show you, but I can show you here. Look at this, right? So it's in my root C drive. If you look here, there's no Pythons, no nothing in it. So all right. Again, this video segment, really the focus is showing you how to install the Java environment, okay, the runtime environment. This piece I have already shown you in the previous video segment. I just wanted to, the only reason I'm doing this piece is to show once you install Java, this Eclipse will run. So that's the purpose. So please don't get confused as to why this step is needed. If you already installed this without install Java, obviously the Eclipse will not run. So we just have to install, you just have to install the Java SDK like I was telling you about. Now there's another there are many Java installs, many of them. There are a lot of them would just say install Java Runtime, which is a much smaller package. You won't be able to do Java development based on that install. Only allow you to run the program depending on Java. Because of the, it's, since I don't do that often, I don't use JRE runtime alone. So I'll show you this. So usually I don't do it. It's just my own preference. So JRE, you can install this too. It's either one of them will work. Okay, either JDK 1.8 or JRE. JRE is a smaller package. Okay. So now we're done with to show you this actually works. So you will not get error. It needs Java. Okay. So again, for the folks who already installed this piece, all you need is Java. Just follow the early part of this video segment. Okay. I'm only doing this piece to prove to show you the Java is installed and the Eclipse is working. Okay, so I'll just let this initial load run through, and I'm gonna end the video segment here. Okay, that's it. So now you have an environment. You can add the PyDev to it. So yeah, but obviously this is predicated you install Python as well, right? So which is covered by other video tutorial. Thank you.